Hello children, welcome to the video session of Standard 4 Science Term 3 Unit 1 and the lesson name is Green Environment. Come, let's enter into the video session.
Let us discuss about green environment. Introduction. Nature provides us a lot of useful things, but human beings exploit the natural resources and create more trash. These unwanted materials thrown away are called wastes. They can be solid, liquid and gas. They are produced from households, industries, hospitals, etc. These unwanted materials pollute our environment. Waste management. Reducing the waste is the first and most important step in waste management. What is waste management? It is a step we take to handle our waste and to make sure our environment does not get dirty and polluted. Waste management deals with both biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. There are 4 steps in waste management. Steps in waste management: separation of waste, waste collection and transportation, waste recycling and composting, waste disposal. First one is separation of waste. This is a very important step in waste management. It means to sort or divide the waste into different waste bins. Each bin should have different type of waste. It is good to separate waste in 3 different bins: green for biodegradable waste, blue for recyclable waste, and red for non-recyclable waste. Non-biodegradable waste can be classified as recyclable and non-recyclable. Waste collection and transportation. Once we separate our waste in our homes and schools, it is important to keep it ready to be picked up by our municipality or corporation. Picking up the waste is called waste collection. Moving the waste from one place to another is called transportation. Waste recycling and composting. Biodegradable waste is taken to a place where it can be converted into compost. Compost makes the soil fertile. Non-biodegradable waste that can be turned into something new, that is recyclable waste and valuable, is taken to recycling factory. Next one is waste disposal. The waste that cannot be recycled needs to be sent for final disposal. This waste is sent to an open dump or landfill. Let us know what is 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. First, let us know what is reduce. Reduce is to make or use less materials. This is to make, buy and use things that create less waste. It is the best thing to do first and it is easy to ask yourself. Some examples are given below. You can buy a refill pen and change the refill only when the ink is used up. While shopping with your parents, you can carry a cloth bag. In this way, you can avoid buying plastic carry bags. Turn off lights and fans when you leave a room. Close the tap while you are brushing your teeth. Reuse. Reuse is using a thing repeatedly for the same or for another purpose. By reusing, we throw away less waste and do not dispose it in a dump. Reuse saves money, energy and time. Here are some examples of how you can reuse materials at home. You can reuse old clothes as a rag to clean your home or even wash your cycle. You can reuse jam and pickle jars to store things. You can donate old clothes that still look good to poor and needy children. You can reuse waste and making something new. Example, you can reuse a plastic bottle as a pen stand or a bird feeder. Recycle. Recycle is to take materials from things you throw away and make new products by using them. Recycling takes energy and time but saves the amount of new resources we need to make things. Example, water, minerals, wood. Here are some examples how certain materials are recycled. Old newspapers, notebooks and magazines are separated and sold to a scrap dealer. They will be made into new papers. PET bottles are recycled into plastic threads and then used to make sports t-shirts. Old glass bottles and broken glass pieces are melted to make new glass. Broken metal items like tiffin boxes and plates are melted and made into new metal products like toys. Conserve our environment. Conservation of environment means to protect all things found in nature. It means that we have to use our Earth's natural resources like water, soil, minerals, wildlife and forests carefully. Everyone can conserve the environment by following good waste management habits. First, let us discuss about waste separation. Waste at home should be separated into biodegradable, recyclable and non-recyclable waste. Waste like leftover food, vegetable waste which are broken down naturally should be collected in a separate litter box. Materials which cannot be decomposed should be placed in separate dustbin. Paper waste, glass waste and aluminium waste which can be recycled into new useful products should be kept in separate box. Plastics in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is leading the way in India by banning some one-time use plastic items. List of items banned in Tamil Nadu are given below. Animals eat plastic bags by accident and their food passage is choked. Plastic plates stay in the environment for over 1,000 years. Water pouches litter the land and are difficult to recycle. Plastic straws are difficult to recycle and end up polluting the ocean. Chemicals from plastic sheets leak into food. Environment-friendly materials. Things that can be decomposed or broken down by microorganisms are biodegradable. They can return to the soil and enrich the soil. Materials which are beneficial to the environment and do not cause harm are called eco-friendly materials. For example, banana leaves are used as plates. They are fully biodegradable and do not contain chemicals like thermocol, plastic or coated paper plates. Bamboo is used to make many things such as bags, dustbins and even toothbrushes. Eco-friendly activities. Reduce the paper use by writing on both sides of every sheet. Stop using plastic straws. Use reusable bag. Give up chewing gum. Buy stainless steel bottles instead of plastic water bottles. Reuse containers for storing leftovers. The first fully synthetic plastic was invented by Leo Baekeland in 1907. Stainless steel water bottle and snack box are some examples of eco-friendly materials. Stainless steel does not leak chemicals into your food or water, so it is safer than plastic. These can be reused for a longer period of time. Litter-free environment. Litter in our environment is unsightly and spoils our experience of nature. It is also dangerous to animals that ingest it. Cleaning up loose waste is one of the best ways to keep our community and the environment green. By removing litter from environment, we are ensuring that it does not end up in our oceans. National Green Corps (NGC). It is a national program initiated by the Government of India. The motto of NGC is "Where there is green, there is prosperity." It involves NGC school students in protecting and promoting the conservation of natural resources. They participate in activities like biodiversity conservation and waste management.